Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we already have our base and stuff on because I wanted to do a sunset eye look. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video, and let's get started. I already have this palette in front of me, so I might just use this one. It's the Norvina palette. I'm going to be starting off with E4. It's the yellow shade at the bottom. I'm going to blend out the creases on my lid first. I'm going to stick the yellow in the front section. Oh, I forgot to mention, the brush that I'm using is a M441. Looks like that. I'm just packing on that yellow. Blending it up into my eyebrow, the front of my eyebrow. Then I'm just going to take another M441 and I'm going to dip into, I think I'm going to go with a 2. It's the slightly lighter orange shade. If this isn't bright enough, then I'll dip into A5. I'm placing that in the middle. Slightly down a little bit. These eyeshadows are really pigmented. Just like that for now. Then I'm going to take a M433, looks like that, and I'm going to dip into C2, which is a red color. We're going to start packing this on the outer. Going back in with the orange brush with no extra pigment just yet. And I'm going to use that as well to blend out the red portion. Most of my brushes are dirty right now. Okay, so I'm going to take, it's an old like Unique brush, and I'm going to dip into the C2, the red. I'm going to start wrapping it under. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the orange with the same brush, and I'm going to start blending. Adding back some of that red. Now I'm just taking a clean brush, and I'm just going to go over all the edges. I want everything to be like super blown out. Now I'm going to take D5 with my finger, and I'm going to start placing that on the lid. Okay, now that we have that down, I'm going to take my brush for the red, the C2, with a little bit of red, and I'm going to tap it on the corner. Just a little bit. A little bit more of the orange. Now I'm going to go off camera, and I'm going to do my lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I just kept the same lip. It is the ColourPop lip pencil in another round, and I topped it with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I think it's called Zurich. I'm not quite sure. I'll let you try to figure that one out. The lashes that I have on is the Lily Lashes in the style Miami Flare. And I think that's everything. But yeah guys, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.